Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous kind of everyday bag to show you today. So this is the Prada shoulder tote. It's in this lovely kind of movable black leather. We've got double top handles and we've got that Prada logo on the front there. And attached to those top handles we've got a little Prada luggage tag too, which is really cute. And then we also have a removable strap, and that is adjustable. So you can see we've kind of got it on the middle setting at the minute. So you can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, and it just attaches with those clips on those loops on the interior of the bag on either side. And then the main bag has a press stud fasten opening, which I really like for a tote. I think it makes it a little bit more secure. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've got one zipped pocket with that lovely chunky Prada zip pull there. And then in front of that zipped pocket we have one flat pocket, and that is actually got a magnetic fasten just there. And we've got that Prada fabric lining throughout the bag as well. Hopefully you'll be able to see that a little bit better on that side. And then on the opposite side we have one more flat pocket, and again that's got that magnetic fasten there. And that's a really nice big flat pocket. It goes pretty much across the length of the bag. So that is the features. The condition of this one is in a really nice condition. So we've called the exterior very good. It's just kind of got a general sign of being pre-loved. There's no particular signs of wear for me to show you. It is in a really nice condition, but you can just tell that it has perhaps been used before, but it's been kept in a very lovely condition. You can just see kind of in those corners where there's a bit of creasing, but other than that, in a very nice condition, as you can see. The interior we called excellent. There is actually no kind of marks for me to show you in there. It is just perfect in there. Then the hardware we've called good. There's a little bit more signs of use on the hardware, so a bit of scratching. You can see kind of hairline scratching on that little Prada luggage tag, and a lot of it's kind of got just a little bit of dullness on it. So kind of general signs of wear, but nothing in particular for me to point out because it is in a very gorgeous condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Prada envelope, and inside that envelope we've got the little care card, and then we also have, so this is a little envelope there, and then we also have the authenticity card, as well as the little Prada product tag too. And then of course we also have the Prada dust bag. So that's what it comes with. The exact measurements for this bag are going to be on our website, and you'll find this bag on our website by going to the link in the description below. So if you click that link, it should hopefully take you directly to this Prada tote on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of thing that you're looking out for, just let us know, send us over an email, fill out the contact us form, which you'll find on our website as well. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on that request list and let you know as soon as we have in another one like it. So that's the request list. Get on there if you would love one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me. So again, exact measurements are on our website, but for reference, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". And with those double top handles, you can just pop it on your shoulder like that, and they're quite small handles, so you can also pop it on your arm like that, or handheld as well. Or I think a tote with a removable strap is always super handy, because it's nice and simple, but sometimes you want something that's a little bit more easier to wear on the go. So with that removable strap, you can pop it on your shoulder like that, or sits really comfortably as a crossbody as well. So if you are looking for a gorgeous everyday tote like this one, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter. We're on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell Us page while you're on there as well. If you are interested in selling your bags, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on there, so have a read through there. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel. If you're a bag lover like we are, we don't want you to miss out on any gorgeousness that we have to show you. So hit that alert button and we'll see you very soon with some more.